hope you guys are having a wonderful day and making some really good trades. And let's dive right into the analysis here. And actually, before we do that, I just want to mention a couple things inside the Discord. We did take some losses, right? So I actually closed out a small little gain today on a small trade, but we actually had a long position going on here, and we actually stopped out of it, unfortunately. I think it was the one, not this one right here. This one we closed in profit. I think it was the one that we probably opened right around 71,000. That one stopped out. So people are saying that I cannot be wrong. Trust me, I can be wrong. So that's a little bit of a loss there that we took, and I'm going to be posting the Q1 market recap. Sorry, not market recap, profit and loss history recap. Not sure why it didn't post last night, but I'll just re-upload it tonight. Not a problem. Now let's continue here. We'll take a look at what Bitcoin's doing. So right now we are just currently sitting at 69,000. We did definitely get a very big retrace here from 72,000. Now, could this mean that we are headed down all the way down to the 59,000, $51,000 level? Can't really tell right now. Right now, it's a little bit difficult to tell. We don't really have any indication that there's any further breaks towards the downside at the moment. Tomorrow's CPI, so there's going to be a lot of data coming out. We'll know more once we get a development in the wave. So this still could be a bullish count, right? If this is a 1, 2, and then you go down for a 3, right? That's just a 3-wave move, and then you could just finish this and then continue higher. But if it is definitely bearish and you'll get 5 waves moves down, 5 waves move down, then this will be a C leg, and we'll know that we're headed towards a $59,000 level. But I will be giving you guys updates on when smart money and dumb money is buying and selling. So smart money buys at the lows, right? Smart money always buys at the lows, and they were buying a little bit today on the 30-minute time frame on this dip. That's when we caught our small little trade here, and it was in the money. I decided to cash it out on this pump that we just got, because I do not want to stay in this overnight. Tomorrow's CPI, and you really don't know what's going to happen. If we do get a dump, I do have some more levels right around 67,500 that would like to enter a long position there. But again, that will be tentative, and it will be dependent on the data that we're getting in the market. When we look at the daily time frame, we actually have a 14 and a -3 on the dual band strength index. We have smaller and smaller momentum waves. We had a nice little tight momentum wave here that led us to have a very big rally. Now, are we going to confirm this red dot and get a very big dump towards the downside? This can happen. It can happen. I will not discount it. We actually do have reducing green money flow. I think a lot of people are looking for new all-time highs too, which means that maybe we are going to get a bigger dump than people expect. But we'll see how everything plays out. Right now, this is essentially the count that I'm looking at, just a 3-wave move down. Once this one starts to go down to the 67,500 area, I will be looking for a potential long position. But again, remember, this is going to be data dependent, and I can decide to enter or not, right? So if you're watching this video and you're thinking, oh, he's going to enter at 67,500, just know you should probably join the crypto membership. You get access to my trades in real time, and I post them in real time. All right, and let me get over here. I'll cover a few more things here that I want to talk about. So the dollar's been coming back down here just a little bit, but I do have a bullish count for it, showing that we could go higher to the 106 to 109 area, which would be actually putting some pressure on equities and could be putting pressure on Bitcoin as well. And if that's the case, then you are most likely going to come back down to the $59,000 to $51,000 area on Bitcoin, which would be unfortunate because we are so close to our ultimate target here between 82,000 and 100,000 on Bitcoin. But we'll see. You never know what could happen. If this is really just another 1-2, it could also be this, right? And we just start to moon higher on CPI. That's what I would be looking for, but maybe a quick dip down and then a quick reversal, right? Because I think there's going to be the FOMC minutes released at 2 p.m. So maybe the CPI we dump and then we reverse on FOMC minutes because they talk about rate cuts and the stock market's going to love that. Bitcoin's also going to love that. All right, so that's basically it. I'm not seeing any big buying right now other than 30-minute. Nothing on the 4-hour or the daily. 4-hour, you only have a green cross right now, but I already closed my trade. Not really interested in longing at the moment. I'll be waiting for some better price action to develop and after the news event to be finished. And that basically wraps it up, guys. So be careful tomorrow. Make sure you use your stop losses and don't lose any sleep over any trades. You should never do that. I had a couple traders today tell me they're very stressed all the time and they're losing a lot. And they've been making it back inside the Discord. So that's why you should probably join. It's 50% off right now for the rest of the week. So feel free to join, guys. And